Designing products, build them now. Cook and sew, make it wow, wow. So come along, it's DT with Grammarsaurus.
We're now going to learn how to grate food using a grater. Now we can grate lots of different types of food. We can grate vegetables like a carrot, we can grate cheese, we can even grate chocolate. We're now going to learn how to safely grate food. I've already washed my hands, I've prepared my vegetable and I have my grater ready. Make sure that you always do this with an adult present because graters are sharp. So this is our grate here and we need to make sure that we hold it carefully and that our food item is grated in this way. Sometimes you can do this back to front. Watch what happens. See how the carrot's moving over the grate, but nothing is happening. This is because the grate is the wrong way around. So we need to turn it around. Watch what happens this time. You can see that my hands are very far away from the metal and I'm holding it tightly and I push down like that. See how now carrot's almost disappearing, and that's because it's being grated and going into this bottom section here. Let's see it close up. See how when it's the right way round, the carrot is grated and is now going into this section at the bottom. Now this is what's called a box grater, and the clever thing about a box grater is that it collects all of the grated food into the bottom. You will see other types of graters where they may be stood up like this, or they will have a handle on top, and when you do it, it's exactly the same. You've got to make sure it's the right way round to start with, and keeping your fingers away from the edge. You simply go like that. Take your time. When you feel like you're getting too close, you need to stop and you need to get another piece of food and you need to continue. And an adult will help you with any fiddly bits like that. So as you can see, it's the same idea, but when I do it this way, my food has now gone onto the table or surface. So that's why I'm using a box grater today, because it already catches it for you in the box. And there we have it. That's how we grate safely. Now remember to always do this with an adult present, and remember that practice really does make perfect. Now I wonder what food you're going to make that includes grating as part of the cooking process.
Designing products, build them now. Cook and sew, make it wow, wow. So come along, it's DT with Grammarsaurus.